Certainty is gone. Rules are challenged. Gray-zone pressure is becoming more common, where the line between peace and conflict often is blurred. In this situation, cooperation between democratic societies is not a nice extra. It is necessary. International rule of law and democratic values are the glue that creates peace and prosperity. For Greenland, the message is simple. Small societies depend on a rule-based world, but we also help maintain it by governing responsibly, staying open, and standing by our values even when it's difficult. And I must say, today, the EU member countries has been a steadfast friend and have stood by us when we needed it the most. We are grateful for the strong support shown to Greenland during the challenging times